Hello friends, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School. Myself Krishna sir, I'm your maths teacher, and today we're going to learn about new things about shapes. So let us see. So this PPT. Let's start with school image. That is Sant Tukaram National Model School. Very beautiful school, very beautiful atmosphere is there. Then we are in class 4th. Subject mathematics, and then chapter 1, that is shapes. So we'll start with this recapitulation. You have learned about the various two-dimensional shapes in second standard. Now what is meant by two-dimensional shapes, that I will not explain. Two-dimensional shapes means that can be drawn on flat surface or plain paper. So that is called as two-dimensional shapes. Examples are triangle, circle, oval, square, rectangle, and so on. These many things we have learned in third standard. Now moving forward, let's check these figures, what we call them. These two-dimensional shapes. First one is triangle, then circle, oval, square, and rectangle, and so on. Many things we have to consider as two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so moving forward, what we are going to learn today. For this, just one good example is there in front of you. Neha, she was standing near the pond and she saw herself in the water. She was excited to see her image in the water. So, if you have ever went to the near pond or anywhere, if you have seen your reflection, if you have seen your image in the water, so what we call that image? So, do you know such images, or what we call as such images? Yes, no. If you know, then well. If you don't know, then we'll see what we call that image. To know what such images are called, we have to learn the reflection and symmetry. As I told you, this reflection can see in the water. So these things we have to learn today. We are going to learn today. Now let's move towards the concept. Concept 1.2, that is reflection and symmetry. In today's video, we're going to learn about reflection. So let us see what is meant by reflection, how it works, how it seems. So first thing, that is reflection, and then where the reflection can be seen, or what is meant by reflection. Reflection means when the object, any object, is placed in front of mirror, and then we will see its image in the mirror. This image in the mirror, we call that image as reflection of the object. You can see, you are habitual to see your images in the mirror in the morning also. Early in the morning, when you wake up, you see your faces in the mirror. That face, that your reflection in the mirror, you will be able to see. So, like this cute boy is there, and he's seeing his reflection in the mirror. He's not knowing what to call that image. Actually, the reflection, we call the reflection which image we saw in the mirror. Okay, so moving forward here, where reflection can be seen. Reflection can be seen not only in the mirrors, but the water, but oil, shiny surfaces, and so on. You can see, you have seen your images in the plates also. The steel plates are there in front in your home. In that also you have seen your images. That we call also reflection. Reflections cannot be seen in the mirrors only. It will be seen in the water, oil, and shiny surface. It is a very beautiful view of nature. It's also called reflection of all the things which are above the water, that are reflected in the water. So moving forward, let's check few examples of alphabets. This is E, and it is kept in front of mirror. So reflection of this E is shown there. Then W also, like same, and this triangle. Now, this mirror images or reflection of an object is exactly the same as the object, and the dotted line, known as the line of reflection, representing the mirror. I hope you have understood this reflection, this chapter 1, that is concept 1.2, reflection and symmetry. In the next video, we will see about the symmetry. Today we have seen reflection, so I hope you have understood. So bye students, keep watching our videos.